Hello friends, welcome to Somtech. Friends, today I am unboxing Platinum Dental Kit of Clove Dental. I buy a Platinum membership of Clove Dental and I get this kit through courier free as a complimentary. Okay, and now I unboxing it. So there is a letter. Here is written that congratulations, you are a Platinum Clove member. Dear privileged member, welcome to India's one of the its kind oral healthcare membership program Clove Platinum membership. Okay, I put it right. There is a toothbrush of Colgate, 17x slimmer tip brushes. Okay, I put it right. And there is a thermosil proxynase. By help of it, you can clean gums and tarts from your teeth. Okay. Next thing is floss. It is also used to clean your teeth. And other is a cool mint. Okay, this is a mouthwash. And this is a toothpaste, X Star. It is used for whitening teeth, fight cavities, fight tartar buildup, freshness, breath. It is of 100 grams. And the last one thing is this is something for relief muscular pain. Okay, when your teeth are paining or muscles are paining, then you can put it and you get relief. And that is gum pit. I don't know what is that. I will search on internet. Thank you for watching my video, friends. I will post videos of Clove unboxing and like, so you can subscribe my channel so you get my videos, and also click on bell icon so you get notifications of my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.